welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. Today I'm bringing you a tour of my small 12 by 10 modern home office that's inspired by all things travel. So I'm going to start with the floor and work my way up, starting with this rug, which was the inspiration for this entire travel themed office. I saw this rug on House and I just absolutely fell in love with it. It was styled in a living room and I just got the idea to use it in my office and design a theme around this rug. And it's available in a lot of places, Amazon, Overstock, Lowe's, Home Depot. You can pretty much get it anywhere, but I just love it. As you can see, it has city names all over it. And a word of advice, if you're interested in this rug, make sure that you get one of those plastic runners that you put underneath the chair, because as you can see, some of the wording is fading because of my chair rolling back and forth on it, but you can see where it's still dark around the edges. So next to the left of my desk is my little bookshelf that I got from the at-home store, and this is where I keep my journals and notebooks. I am a self-professed journal junkie. I just love journals and pretty notebooks, and I collect them. This is only a small piece of everything I own, but these are some of my favorites. So like I have my bucket list journal here, have one of my travel journals. I actually have a lot of travel journals. I used to buy one every year and just record the different places that I traveled and different places that I visited and things that were of interest to me. And down here, I have some travel themed ones, Hollywood. I got New York City. And these are just some pretty notebooks that I found that I just really like. And then down on this last shelf, my sister actually got me these little storage bins at Anthropologie some years ago, and they just happen to fit perfectly in this bottom shelf. So I just keep some little odds and ends in here. I've got some notepads, another travel journal. This was the last travel journal I bought. This is from Burlington Coat Factory. I really love this one. But this is my little mini shelf. Now going up the wall, I have some art pieces. And these art pieces represent not only travel, but they represent where I'm from and where I'm at. So this piece right here, my sister gifted to me, and it's the state of California. And this piece in the center, this is like the statement piece for the office. I think I actually saw this on House as well, and I really, really loved it. They had it styled in an office, like right over the desk, just like I have it. And I just thought it was perfect. It's a compass with some of the world map intertwined in it. And this is made of metal, and it's actually an indoor-outdoor piece as well, and it's really heavy. It has a lot of pieces, but it is easy to put together, but it's heavy. And then this one over here, my sister gifted me the California one, and then I found one in the same style that said Georgia, and these are from Home Goods. This one actually had a light brown frame, and I just used a Sharpie paint marker and painted the frame black. Now let's get into this desk. It took me months to find a desk that would go with this rug and that was the size that I wanted and the style that I wanted. I knew that I wanted a glass or acrylic desk, and that's because this room is so small. I didn't want it to feel closed in or too tight, and I knew that having a glass desk and an open desk would make the space feel more open. But it is made of glass and fabricated wood, and this is from Office Depot. So let's get into what I have on my desk. So starting with my desk plaque, which I love. This is from Home Goods, and it says, "Here sits the queen." I saw it and I absolutely had to have it. And then coming around, these two pieces I love. These are from Cost Plus World Market. This is my tape dispenser and my little stapler. They're in the shape of an airplane. And of course you can't have travel themed anything unless you have a globe, so I found this one at Ross and I thought it was really cute. It sits on this little stand and it has a little drawer here that I can keep a few things in. And then this piece right here is actually from my dad. It belonged to my dad, and I don't even know what city this is, but I thought the colors were really pretty and I just felt it would look really pretty on my desk. And then this is a post-it note holder. It's in the shape of a little purse. My sister gave me this years ago and I found it when I was unpacking and I thought it would be perfect for my desk. And then two things I always keep on my desk are my notepad and clipboard. It says, "To travel is to live." This is from Cost Plus World Market. And then my master plan daily planner pad. And this just keeps me organized and just helps me plan out my day. And then I've got my iMac here. And my notepad again is travel themed. And it also says, "To travel is to live." This is from Cost Plus World Market as well. And here's another keepsake that belonged to my dad. It's an ashtray from Canada. And then I have this little Eiffel Tower here made out of wire, and this was from Cost Plus World Market. And in addition to being a journal junkie, I'm also a pen junkie. I don't know why I have so many, but I found this cute little tin with my initial at the Dollar Tree, and it holds a lot, so it works perfectly for my desk. Then I have another little organizer tray. This is from, I believe, Marshall's or TJ Maxx. It spins around, and this just holds a few things. My scissors. I've got some travel themed pencils. Got some cute little binder clips. Hole punch. I don't know why I have that, but I also have these little paper clips shaped like airplanes, and these are from Amazon. And then next I have my file holder. And of course my file folders have to be travel themed as well. These again are from Cost Plus World Market. In addition to those, I have some other ones that I got from TJ Maxx that I thought were really cute. It says, "I'm not a morning person." Just some cute little girly file folders. And then some little pocket folders. Then I've got some travel themed sticky notes. These are also from Cost Plus World Market. I've got some smell goods over here. This candle was actually gifted to me. It's called Moonlit Petals and it smells absolutely wonderful. And then I have another little pen holder here that's from TJ Maxx. And then down here I have my trash can from Ross. And I have a really basic office chair. This is from Walmart. It's just something I grabbed real quick just to have something until I found something better. So I'm still looking, but I am going to replace this chair with something else because this one doesn't elevate high enough. It sits too low. So that is my desk. So right above my desk, I have my pen board, and this is from Kirkland's. And this is one of the nicest pen boards I found when I was looking. It's really well made. It has a real wooden frame, not like fake wood, and it has a nice sturdy, thick linen backboard. And I just filled it with some of my dad's old postcards from back in the day. You can see these are like older. It says like the dunes in Las Vegas. I think that's Miami. Got your cruise ship. So these are just old postcards from my dad. And then these push pins in the shape of an airplane. I got those on Etsy. And then these other little silver dots are just nail heads from an old bed that I threw out. I just kept a few and added them for decoration. And then right above my pen board, I have some license plate artwork, and this is from the At Home store. I thought it was cute to add, you know, little road trip inspired artwork. And also some of these license plates are from states that are very near and dear to me. So I liked it. I thought it added a little pop of color as well. Then if you come over to the side of the pen board, I have my weekly calendar. This is from the Container store. And it came with these 2 magnets and also a white dry erase marker. And I have one window in this office that faces the street. I was thinking about putting curtains up. I think it would add a nice little touch to the office. My sister said no, but I think curtains would look really nice in here, so we'll see. So directly across from my desk on the opposite wall, I have some shelving. And because the office is so small, I didn't have space to put shelving behind the desk like you would normally see in an office. I knew that I wanted my desk to be centered and not pushed up against the wall, so the only space I had left was in the front of the desk. So I got these 3 shelf display cases. They're from IKEA. And this cabinet in the center is from Home Goods. So these kind of matched up perfectly. I didn't know they would fit well like this, but as you can see, they line up perfectly, like they're all one piece, and they're not. They're just 3 separate pieces that I just pushed together to make this little shelf area. And so these display cabinets, I just decided to add some things from my favorite cities and vacation destinations. So up here I have New Orleans. So just have a New Orleans travel guide and some of my Mardi Gras masks and Mardi Gras beads that I actually caught from parades, you know, from years past. Then on this next shelf, I have one of my favorite countries to visit, which is Mexico. And I've got some pesos here from my last trip, which was just this summer. And then on the bottom shelf, I have my sorority things, but I'm actually going to change that out because I want all of the display cases to be travel themed, so I just have some things there until I find what else that I want. And then down here I have these storage bins from Walmart, and they're kind of like a wicker or straw material with a little wooden handle, and they add a nice little touch. And again, cabinet from Home Goods, where I just keep extra supplies. And on the top of the cabinet, I have some books that I like. And these glass globe bookends, these are from the At Home store. Then I have my suitcases, which are also from the At Home store. I thought these added a really nice touch to the office. And they added a nice pop of color too. And then this ceramic camera is actually from Dollar Tree. And then I just have my expired passport. So over here in the other display case, I have another city that's very near and dear to my heart, San Francisco. So I have a San Francisco in Photographs coffee table book, and I've had this book for years. It's traveled with me to different apartments and homes that I've lived in, so it's kind of worn, just excuse the worn book cover. But this is my little San Francisco display. This is a vase my dad gave me years ago. It has the Golden Gate Bridge and Pier 39. This San Francisco wood piece is from Target. This is my dad's Giants hat. And then I have my Hello Kitty San Francisco 49ers bear that my sister gave me. And she's wearing her 49ers Mardi Gras beads that we got when the 49ers went to the Super Bowl in New Orleans, and it was also Mardi Gras season. Then next down here, I have a little display of one of my favorite type of destinations, which is the beach. And it says beach vibes only. And I have this pretty coral bowl from Big Lots. And everything else besides the coral bowl is from Dollar Tree. Then down here I just have a few little knickknacks that are just holding place until I find what else I want to put down there. But this is my shelving. And then in the center I have another art piece. This is from the company Iconic. And I saw this piece and I thought it was perfect. I knew I wanted a departure sign for my office, but I never even considered something like this. They had arrivals and departures, but I chose departures because I just like the theme of it and what it was saying as far as things that need to depart from your life. So I just really thought this was a perfect addition to my office. So the office is not finished. There are some things that I do want to change and still need to add. One is this light fixture. As you can see, I have the typical boob light, which I don't like at all. So I've been shopping for light fixtures. And the one I found that I like was on back order for like 12 weeks. So I have to decide if I want to try and get that one or just find something else, but I definitely want to change that light. Like I said, I'm thinking about adding curtains. I'm going to change my office chair. And the last thing I want to do is to find something to go on top of these display cabinets. Whether it be some vases or some plants or some type of artwork. I just think having something on top would be a nice touch, and it would sort of balance out the shelving and the painting in the middle. But that is my office. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for things that I can add, please let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.